Niggas always tryna copy the drip, tryna see how much money that I get. Real young hustlers around me, bring a pack over here, guarantee the will make shit flip. Hold on, baby girl, slow down. 12 up the road, got a couple of cars in the world. Niggas mad cause everything they do gon' hit and everything that they do gon' miss.
Oh my God, it's your boy ExclusiveMyles, and I'm back. I'm out here with Myles, man, downtown. We about to do a new little public interview for y'all. I'm gonna do rate my voice from 1 to 10. And now, y'all see I got a little mask on. Y'all know about this mask, man. But look, I'm gonna throw on the mask and tell you, like, look, hey, baby girl, like, rate me from 1 to 10. Like, come here, like, hold up, let me, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, come here. But look, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. If y'all new, please like the video, comment down below, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I'm posting bangers all 2020. And look, y'all gotta subscribe to my boy Zay City, man, right behind the camera. Hold up. Come back here. I love you. Subscribe. We out. Okay, I'm here with
Victoria, Olivia.
All right, so my question for them today is, rate me from the sound of my voice.
A 10.
I love you. A 10?
No. An 8.
What the fuck? Stop playing. What the fuck is that? Ah!
What? Why you changing it up? Like, why? Like, hey, she just changed the whole game.
Yeah, it's an 8 now.
All right, what about you?
I'm not gonna answer that question.
Okay. All right, what's up? Why not?
Because I have a boyfriend.
Boy, if you don't get. All right, so I got a math test.
No, don't play
I
with me.
just playing.
Got him!
Well, look, I'm gonna show you my face. All right, so shit. Damn. All right, so I'll look now. Off my looks.
10.
Give me kill.
A 10?
Yeah.
Okay. How about? Yeah, you got a boyfriend. My bad. Damn, I can't forget it. All right, so my question: since you got a boyfriend, I'm gonna ask you. You know Halloween's coming up, right? Mm-hmm. Can you be my treat for Halloween?
No.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Why not? You just gave me a 10. Like, why can't you be my treat for Halloween?
That wasn't a good pickup line.
Fuck you, nigga.
It wasn't a pickup line. It was
It
just.
seemed like it.
Wow. So no.
You gotta come up with better material.
So we can't go out.
No, sorry. You look good.
Okay then. I appreciate you. All right, I'm here with
Sheila?
Sheila, and I wanted to tell her, rate me from 1 to 10 from the sound of my voice.
9.
She want me bad!
9? Okay, that's good. All right. So look, I'm gonna take out the mask. You gonna?
Okay. All
All right. So look, rate me on looks.
9.
Is you gonna suck my dick? You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy!
9? I mean, that's good. That's good. All right. So you know Halloween's coming up, right?
Yeah.
And I just wanted to know, can you be my treat?
Alright.
Left up. Left up. Let's have a little sex.
All right, let's go. Shit. That's the end of the video. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm here with
Alyssa?
Alyssa. All right, so what's up? Look, I wanted you to rate me from 1 to 10 from the sound of my voice.
Alright, for sure. Wait, rate me right now?
Yeah.
Wait, say something? Say something cool, like, say something.
Baby girl, what's up with you? Oh my God.
Hell no, to the no.
Come here. Like, what's up? What's up with it?
A 3.
A 3? All right, fuck it. Look. Look, rate me on looks, 1 to 10.
Oh, wait, no, I can't do that. I have a boyfriend.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun.
I'm sorry. He's kind of standing over there.
I have a math test. We could cheat on that. We all cheat on that. No, I'm just playing. Now, look, I'm just playing. Look. At the end of the day, my last question actually was, it doesn't matter. It doesn't work if you have a boyfriend. I was going to ask you, can you be my treat for Halloween? Just for Halloween, though.
I can find you a treat for Halloween.
Hey, she's right. She got me a treat. Okay. All right, so I'm here with
Brittany.
Brittany. What's up with you? All right, so look. Damn, you got chocolate on my hand. Hold up. Mwah. But look.
Don't be afraid of a little chocolate.
She getting on top tonight.
I wanted to say, rate me from 1 to 10 from the sound of my voice.
1.
Damn, don't nobody want me?
Okay.
Did I stump you?
Rate me from the
Rate
sound.
me from 1 to 10.
Oh, you a 10, baby girl. Come over here. Like, look. Rate me from what I look like. Like 1 to 10.
100.
100. Okay, look. So look, Halloween's coming up. Can you be my treat for Halloween?
Yes.
Damn, I'm a smooth dude.
I don't even care about the video. Cut it out. Let's go. All right, guys. So that's the end of the video, man. Thank you guys for watching. Please like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. And wait. Hold up. I need y'all to come subscribe to my boy too, man. This man be out here doing lit shit. Come on, tell him what's your YouTube.
Hey, y'all go follow me on IG, TikTok, and YouTube. All at Priest23. That's pre-ice, no spaces. 23. Y'all already know what it is. We lit out here, bro. This man, we gonna get a lot more collabs out here. People out here lit in Fort Myers. I didn't even think it was gonna be lit like that. Oh wait, who's behind the camera? Come back here. Come back. Hey man, subscribe to the channel. We out of here. We lit.